Hello everyone, this is Fahim Ansari, Assistant Professor at RP Institute of Pharmacy at RPIIT campus Bastada Karnal. Today we are going to discuss about the pharmaceutical packaging material or the pharmaceutical packagings. We will discuss the pharmaceutical packaging because it is slightly different with the other packagings that are used, packaging materials that are used for the packaging of that type of products which is not directly consumed by the humans or animals. There are a certain type of reactions or several type of side effects can be seen if the packaging is not proper or the efficacy of the drug may be lost. So firstly, the introduction of the packaging is a science or an art and the technology of enclosing or protecting products from the distribution during the storage, during the sale, and during its use or application of the application of its use is application of that medicine or that product or that instrument or medical important instrument is used. It is also in that type of convenience. The packaging also refers to the process of design, evaluation, and the production of the packages. The production of package or the evaluation of the package and its testing is also comes in the packaging. Now we will the pharmaceutical packaging is slightly different and it can be defined as then according to its economical value or means the product packaging should be cost effective and provide complete protection. Economical mean of providing presentation, that it should provide the completely protection to the product which is packed inside this. If it does not protect the product accordingly or rightly, it can be damaged or produce any harmful effect or side effect and alter its efficacy or delete anything. Next is the packaging should be of such type that it should help in the identification of the packaging. Identification of the product should be uh, means by the packaging material, or there should be a minimum a space where an label of drugs or medicine should be pasted, because in pharmaceutical industry the importance of label is well known by, or the it is a essential, it is a very essential according to the act. And the information the label should provide all the information which is legally permitted, and the convenience of the product and the compliance that are according to the regulation of local and national authority and laws. And it should provide the integrity and the stability of the product. One of the most important factors is the stability of product around its shelf life until the product is expired. The packaging material should consume, should use, or should be protect its inside material completely. So packaging material in the pharmaceutical and important material methods, and there are several type of packaging method are used in that. Thank you.